one of the houses.
Oh, 2 o'clock, haven't done anything yet. He's not in there.
You know how many times I've watched that lady cry in the last 2 days?
That sucks, man. I tell you what.
She's a cuckoo.
Yeah. Oh, see that sandpaper's in here.
These are our next parts. Yeah.
Oh.